For all red-blooded gearheads who love their RPMs high and their barbecue smoking. Welcome to Barbecue and Bolts, where we dig into cars of all kinds, from beaters to burners. And then trade the grease in our nails for barbecue sauce, beer, and good friends. Hang on, cause you're riding shotgun with Barbecue and Bolts.
Those damn hicks! What are they doing?
Hello. Are you there?
So I've been walking past this car for like 5 months every morning when I walk my dog, and it's at my neighbor's house. It looked totally abandoned, like it was sitting under this tree for a couple of years. I used to have a brand new one in 2005, and I got rid of it because it wasn't an all-wheel drive. I actually bought this from the original owner. She bought it brand new in 2003, has 200,000 miles on it, and she just drove it into the ground until it didn't work anymore. She didn't do any upkeep on it whatsoever besides oil changes, and it's really, really moldy, as you can see right here. I don't think she ever washed the inside either. This thing was dirty. I was trying to get this car forever from this gal, and she couldn't find the key and she couldn't find the title. Finally, I was like, I'll give you $300 as is, no key, no title, just give me it and I'll tow it off. So she agreed to that. We just went down to the DMV. It's clear title. She just applied for a lost title. I got it. And then I had it keyed. A guy came out to the driveway, charged me $200, got a brand new key for it, and then I was able to tow it to my driveway. So we just started with the kids in on it, and they helped me clean it up. We'll show you how we got it from rags to riches. Alright, next we're going to do the headlights. For the headlights, I used Meguiar's plastics, and it's cleared up all of my headlights before. So we'll do a before and after. It's pretty easy, just getting Meguiar's, stick it on here and just swirl it around until it's gone. And wow. I did the other one about 2 times, 3 times. This one's coming clean the first time. I mean, that's a big difference. Meguiar's is the best for everything. For wax, for headlights, for everything. That's my opinion. And there you have it. The $300 Honda Smell of It. I spent a lot of time on the outside buffing it out with Meguiar's as well. They have a bunch of different products you can choose from, and I highly recommend them. There definitely was some other projects that I had to do to get it on the road, and I'll show you those. We're going to be putting episodes out for each week now, and you'll see a lot of showcasing on the Honda Element, and I also have a new excursion I'd like to show you guys. So, all coming up soon. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.